Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I grew up learning that Christmas is a time of fun, frolic, food, family, friends, some alcohol. Yeah, that's what I say. And it is a day when family come together and give thanks for life and celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. I mean, for those persons who do. But we're seeing where, for whatever reasons, criminals out west in Montego Bay found the time on Christmas Day to kill 5 people. Yo, them man they not a family, them man they not a friends, them man they not a fun. Eh? Soon come. It says Western War Zone at St. James murder record skyrockets. Residents lose hope. With more than 260 murders so far and another 4 days to go in 2016, St. James is set not only to retain but extend its unbelievable reputation as Jamaica's most murderous region on a nominal and per capita basis. The latest figures after a slew of Christmas killings in the parish indicate 5 persons were murdered in the parish on Christmas Day. Even if there are no more killings there for the rest of the year, St. James was up with a population of approximately 184,263 murders, will have a homicide rate of 143 per 100,000 or 2.9 times the national average, which is projected to end 2016 at 49 per 100,000. The Latches scamming capital. Located on Jamaica's northwest coast and the home of some of the island's top resort areas, St. James has over the past decade become known as the epicenter of the Latches scamming business and the violent crimes associated with it. Latches scams are schemes through which mostly elderly Americans have been swindled out of hundreds of millions of dollars, with tales of having won large amounts of money in sweepstakes. To redeem their winnings, the victims are told they have to pay taxes and other charges up front. Police say that scams sometimes spawn violence among rival swindlers fighting for a so-called lead list, which are documents detailing the personal data including age, address, telephone numbers, and sometimes banking information of potential targets who are in dispute over the distribution of their spoils from their activities. No motive has yet been determined for the Christmas Day killings in the parish capital of Montego Bay and the volatile community of Norwood, but they pushed the murders for 2016 over the 260 mark and to an increase of 51 or 24% compared to the figure for all of 2015 when the homicide rate was 114 per 100,000. Expressed another way, St. James homicide rate this year increased by more than 24%, nearly 28 per 1,000. The Christmas Day victims were Nadine DePass, 49, Monique Woolery, 27, Jason Anderson, 30, Leo Fire Mitchell, 39, and Yorken Silvera, 43.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
The past, a mother of 7, including a 5-year-old, lived in Hendon, Norwood, and was a popular face on Montego Bay's nightlife circuit for more than 2 decades. Her throat was slashed by unknown assailants in the downtown Montego Bay. While residents of Norwood were lamenting that murder, killers struck in the community along the popular Nelly Lane. About 7:30 p.m., Woolery from Landila, Westmoreland was walking along Nelly Lane with a male companion when the couple was attacked by gunmen who alighted from a car. The pair sought safety at a shop, but the gunmen followed, firing bullets. In the end, Woolery, Anderson, Mitchell and Silvera were all dead. Another 5 persons were injured. So 9 people get shot right there, you know. It is a damn disgrace. Not even Christmas Day, them are shot us no respect, said a bystander who was among the throng viewing the past body at the scene of her murder. In Norwood, residents, though wary of the killing, suggest a bleak acceptance of the situation. This is about the 5th triple murder we have had in this area since the start of the year. Lamented one man who lives close to where the latest deaths occurred. We feel so helpless. Me, personally, give up. While St. James deepens its reputation for killings, the matter of violent crimes remains a national problem. After a 1/3 decline in homicide over the previous 5 years, that dropped the homicide rate to under 40% per 100,000, murders have been on the uptick again over the past 2 years. Last year, Jamaica recorded 1,207 murders, a 5% increase that pushed the homicide rate just under 45 per 100,000. This year so far, there have been 1,321, suggesting that 2016, by the time it ends, will record a 10% increase, pushing the murder rate to 49 per 100,000. So we see where St. James is continuing its reputation as the wild west. Zane and the man them just kill for whatever reason them feel like. I don't know them a kill them another for. Theories are suggesting that latchy scamming is at the heart of it. Another theory is suggesting that it's gang violence. And my theory is just that the man them just mad here, man. But what to do? Sad. Christmas Day, you know? Christmas Day, the man them is like, boy, I don't know. I don't know, yeah, man. Yo. Chat to no look more. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.